Hey YouTube, let's learn this Voxtrot song called "The Start of Something." It's in the key of G sharp, 4th fret. That's our 1 chord. We're going to use a lot of chords in this song, so you should know all your bar chords. This lesson assumes that you know your major and minor bar chords. Because we're going to do the 1, minor 2, minor 3, 4, 5, minor 6. All those chords are used in this song. This is the verse. Then at the end of the verse, they go to we're playing just a C sharp. Then they go to a C sharp major 7. Then we go into the chorus. That's the chorus sequence. And then towards the end, there's a little transition. And then it goes into the final part, which is Marianne. The verse is G sharp at the 4th fret. We're going to be playing on these even frets mostly, 4, 6, 8. And I know a lot of people like the strum pattern thing, so that's kind of what it is. It's like that's going to fit 1, 3 downstrokes, and then like so up and down. All right. As long as it sounds all right to you, that's all that matters. Then it goes to E flat at the 6th fret. This is B flat at the 6th fret, but it's a minor. And then we go to the C sharp. It's the classic X pattern that's in a lot of songs. I'm muting with my hands along with the strumming pattern. So you don't actually, a lot of times you're not actually changing your strum. You just keep your hand going like this, and you just mute on the off beats. That's another different way to think about strumming. Is that you just keep your hand going and you just press down. Most people use a mixture of both. Right, so that X pattern, like 4 times, is the verse. And then at the end of the verse, notice the end because they end the verse, they play this chord. This is the C sharp major 7. And then we're going to go into the chorus. This is and then they play that, then they repeat that. So what we're doing is a 1, 3, which is a C minor, 6, which is an F minor, and then C sharp major. Then the second time they go back to the 1, And then they stay for 2 measures on the, they stay twice as long on the C minor as you did before. And then it starts over. In music, Western music, the 1, the 4, the 5 are major, and basically you could think everything else is minor. The 7 is not, but we'll just leave the 7 out of it. All right, so that's the chorus. And that transition part is just the F minor. I'm playing it down here now. You could still play it up here, but I think it sounds better if you play it down. They're getting ready to go into the ending. And the ending is, that's where he's singing, "Man, sleep tonight." It starts on the 1, goes to the 4, C sharp major. Then it goes to the 6, F minor, and then it goes back to the 4. Okay, that should get you through that whole song. Thanks for watching. Have fun playing it. Bye.